Welcome to Cartier Mansion. This home is a very special home. Gary and I are the owners. We've owned it for almost 9 years. It was built in 1905 by Warren and Kate Cartier.
This is a bed and breakfast, and we have guests staying at all times of the year. We used to put window air conditioners in the rooms so that they would have a way to keep their environment cool. And we always would take them out at the wrong time. Because we take them out and then it would get hot again, and then the rooms were hot and they didn't have a way to cool them. We wouldn't put them in early enough, and then we would have issues about, again, controlling temperature in the rooms.
My biggest concern when I walked into this beautiful building and started explaining them what these units look like, and I believe I brought a wall head with me so we could physically hold it up on the wall and see what they were going to look like. Well, we finally come to areas where we know we could put them and know we could make them work and run the line height down alongside rain gutters and get the whole thing to fit. Well, then they threw this curveball at me and told me the walls were 16 to 18 inches thick, solid concrete. But overall, once we come up with a plan, everything went really well with the install, and I think we were here, give or take, about 2 weeks to finish installing 8 indoor units and then the outdoor units to match. So.
We actually planned, and we knew which rooms we would close off. We had 7 guest rooms at the time, and we would just close it off for one day.
Basically came in and made our mess, so to speak, inside, room by room, got all the wall heads mounted, drilled, all put in, so the rooms could be dusted off behind us, and then proceeded to work outside. And the whole job, very concerned about privacy of their guests. We made sure there was notices up that we were in the building working, ladders set up outside, just stuff like that, just to make the job overall smooth for their guests while they were here.
It was great. He did a great job. I remember one morning at breakfast, someone's like, "There's somebody working in the house." They didn't even know he was in the house working, and they were up there drilling. The guys that were working were very good about, like, should we take our shoes off? I mean, that kind of cordialness was very nice to have them ask me.
There's actually 8 wall heads in the upstairs of the main mansion here. Dual zone on this side of the building, a 4 zone on this side of the building, and then a dual zone up front. A couple months ago, we added another 24,000 B2M series unit to the room over the top of the carriage house where they do special banquets and parties for folks that stay here. So.
They're quiet, like the guests do comment, where's the air coming from? They're easy to control. I explained to the guests how they can turn them up and down and use the controllers. It's comfortable. We have them in all the, there are 7 bedrooms upstairs, and we also have one in the back of the mansion, which is where our kitchen and our offices are. And I've noticed comfort. I mean, for the first 5-6 years, in the wintertime here, I was pretty cold. The guests are important, but I'm happy that I have heat and air conditioning for me.